All right, just a quick video about your assignment. First, don't do your assignment until you've watched the notes video or you'll get it all wrong. You won't be able to do the assignment correctly until you've watched the notes video and taken the notes. So that'll be here. It's downloading right now. I'm sorry, it's uploading right now. And then obviously you're watching this right here, which will also be uploaded then. So you got to click on this. It's going to get you a Google form. Yours looks a little different than mine, but it's just 2 questions. Put your name in there. And then it's 2, you don't have to have a paragraph, just answer the question, great. 2 questions, each one's worth 4 points for a total of 8. And there, even though it looks like an opinion question, you're getting points for an educated opinion. So you have to bring stuff from the chapter to your answer, okay? How do you think a group of 1,000 armed men marching on a state capitol would be handled today? Don't talk about, lasers and stuff. So the big thing is how would it differ? So how did they handle it back then compared to how they would handle it now? What's the difference? You got to bring some chapter material to the table. So bring some chapter material, answer these with a great education or great evidence, and then hand it in. Remember, this is not due until Thursday night. I would strongly suggest you get it done Wednesday if you can. But if you have any questions, let me know. But I will not be answering them on Wednesday. Tomorrow is a day I took off 2 months ago, so I'm gonna stay up late and watch the election tonight, and I'm gonna sleep tomorrow. So I will talk to you guys on Thursday if necessary. Also, if you had office hours today or sorry, virtual learning time, they are canceled. So Thursday, we will resume those. Let me know if you need anything. Email me. Give me some great evidence here and get a great score. Thanks.